Hey you! Why the long face? Are your sales taking a nosedive and you can't figure out how to reach customers? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Picture this: a modern, eye-catching video that explains your product or service in a fun and simple way. That's exactly what our Whiteboard Animation service delivers, and it's becoming a game changer in the world of advertising and marketing. This service is brought to you by Hisham Al-Daoudi, a specialist in whiteboard animation design since 2015. I'm currently working with multiple educational institutions and applications on the Google Play Store. Additionally, I hold a certificate in digital marketing from Google and have completed courses in color coordination. Why? Because whiteboard animation can't be effectively created by someone who isn't well-versed in these skills. Otherwise, the video won't serve its intended purpose. So don't hesitate. Contact me now, and let's boost your sales with engaging whiteboard animation videos that will captivate your audience and clearly communicate your message.